Just messing around with the 79 CJ5 today. Finally getting this front axle together, all the brakes together. Take a ride in it. Alright, welcome back to Two Beards and a Jeep. So this is the long holiday weekends. We got a lot to do. I'm gonna complete putting in the Dana 30. I have ordered a drag link, so I'll be able to steer it, but not from inside the Jeep, so that'll be exciting. And I'm just cleaning up a ball joint right now. We'll go through the rest of the stuff we're gonna do. Maybe several videos, maybe one video. We'll see. Alright, so we're gonna clean up this ball joint from the tie rod end. And you can see it is nice and gonky. Alright, so we got this axle in, and we're just positioning it. We're gonna anchor it.
Alright, we're gonna get this and we'll be right back.
Alright. I put the brackets on.
Alright guys, so today is November 28th, and we're doing some things on the Jeep over there. I'm getting my eyebrows done. I gotta get worms for the bearded dragon. And oh, show them the car. Look it. Alright, so we did this to the car. We made the doors pink. And we're gonna do other things. I'm learning how to drive stick shift, but my boyfriend says I'm kind of a bot, so we're learning, alright? It's a process. But yeah, race car.
That's a wrap. It don't fit. What? I don't think you're getting a nut on that.
I just need it to hold for just in the driveway, that's all.
Gotcha.
These things were not even tight when I took it apart.
Believe it.
I very rarely take apart anything where I'm like, wow, they did a really good job on this. Finally getting this front axle together, all the brakes together. Take a ride in it. That'd be nice. Having got the engine all going, and then the front axle just took a dump on us, so it'd be nice to actually take this for a real test drive. There you go. Just getting it back together.
What you working on now? Brakes.
Putting the brakes
Fun stuff. Everybody knows how to do brakes.
got some new pads. Just want to get everything together on this and see it all runs and see if there's any other issues. Got some new brake lines on this. Whoever had installed the brake lines when they did all these modifications to this Jeep, they didn't extend the brake lines.
When they did the lift, so it stretched out the brake line.
It had no room for down travel at all whatsoever. So now it can flex a little bit without busting the brake lines. I heard brakes are kind of important.
Yeah, especially your front brakes. A little important.
Here we go. Also, when they sent me these lines, I don't know what they're for, but they were definitely not for this Jeep or something. I don't know. The blocks, I had to drill them out. I had to make some modifications to the brakes, which isn't exactly always the most comfortable thing in the world, modifying your brakes, but they seem to work fine. I think it was just the bearings that were bad that was causing a really bad slip, and they had not put any oil into the axle after it was rebuilt, as far as I could tell. There was water in it only, no oil. So maybe we'll get this thing sold before Christmas. That would be awesome. This is a really solid CJ5. The frame's in really good condition. The body, for the most part, is in really good condition. There's a couple little spots I got to take care of, but I don't know. This thing's just in really good condition. The top's good. Gotta condition the top. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Terrible paint though.
Yeah.
Needs to be repainted. Really bad.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah. This thing needs a paint job. But it's a good blank slate for somebody.
Oh.
Alright, so we've been working a lot. It's been many days since last weekend. Man, Seems like an eternity. Mainly I've been focusing on the white one because I got the drag link in, got the front end in, got the brakes back together. You guys saw a little bit of that video. But we got a new drag link in here. I went back with the OEM stuff because I didn't want to spend a bunch of extra money. I am letting this Jeep go. And I just don't know if somebody's gonna like highly modify it or what. I just basically need it to run and for everything that I touch to be nice and sound. But I think I'm gonna have to actually go through the wiring on this because it doesn't want to start now. So that's a lot of fun. I think the starter might be bad. I think the battery's bad. And the wiring's a little funky. So I'm gonna go through that. Maybe I'll make some more videos on that, probably. That's what this channel's about, right? Working on Jeeps. And I have no shortage of those. So have a good week.